In this video, I will show you the new method on how to transfer coin from wallet to exchange in Binance. So there is new method. So first up, to start, after you open up now your Binance app, go to the wallet section. After you go to wallet, go to assets. After you go to assets, now select the coin you want to transfer. So for this video, let's say I want to transfer this one. So after you select the one that you want to transfer, so just select this one, send button. After you select the send, now select this first option, this one. After you select this first option, so the next thing to do, now type in the amount you want to transfer. So I'll just click on this option. So here always it will give you the minimum amount you can transfer of any coin. So for this coin, as you can see, here is the minimum amount of the coin that I want to transfer. So I'll just type in the amount 0.05. So after you type in the amount you want to transfer, so just tap on this option. So from there, if you have available amount of the coin in your Binance wallet, so it will give you this continue button. So because now I don't have the amount of this coin that I of this amount of this balance that I currently add, that's why it's now give me this error. It says available 0. So because I don't have the amount. But if you have the amount, if you just type in the amount, it will give you this continue button will be active. After you type in the continue button, so from there the coin will be transferred into your Binance exchanger. If you go to your spot or funding wallet in the Binance exchanger, you'll be able to see the coin. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe.